Windy City, 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 Windy City. Yo, what's going on, guys? So we are here at Windy City. This is our first morning getting started. So a lot of stuff going on right now. They're a little bit behind setting things up. We're gonna at least get our fire going. This year I'll be helping out at Green Street again, and we're doing some ribs and some barbacoas. For extra good luck, you know we gotta use that Korean newspaper to bless the day. Locked and loaded. We got 50 racks on this mill scale right now. If you know, you know. What's going on, boss man?
You know what? How long did it take? Like I said, last night longer than I expected.
What's up, Joey?
These fruits famous right here. Are you guys in the same chicken you did last year though?
Yeah.
Dude,
yeah.
That's probably my favorite thing I ate last year.
Grab a handful, you don't gotta be shy about it. It's right on the end like that. And you're just gonna let it go just single layer. Give it a little shake. That way you got that nice even coat, you know what I mean? You don't want to press it down on there. Shake just as even as possible. Okay?
Guy Isaac
That's a shot right there.
Let's go.
Sir.
Like truffles.
Right?
Got all the East Asian and Australian and Indian spices.
Okay, I'll leave off. Pineapple hot sauce.
Are all those dirty over here?
What?
Beautiful chef. All right, folks, good morning. This is morning of day 2 of Windy City. The night before I only got about 3 hours of sleep. Last night I got 6, so feeling much better. We gotta keep it going, and more of the same today. Let's get the fire started. Got some more ribs to do. I think we might have to do some cheeks for barbacoa today as well. But yeah, let's get started. All right, so we got the fire kicked up and we're cooking our ribs about 300 degrees today because we got kind of backed up. We're starting off with just 30, just so that we can have some ready to go and probably cook more as the day goes on, but we're not trying to get too ahead of ourselves today. Breakfast, sama. Oh yeah, glorious.
Breakfast from our king, the one true king, Dave, king of Windy City. This is egg, sausage patty, hash brown.
Longanisa sausage patty.
All gas, no brakes. Holy shit.
Yeah.
This is bomb stuff. Huh?
What you think?
So good. Texture.
Are the belly stunts that we just had?
Yeah.
That's a hangover destroyer. Creamy.
What's up, man?
What up, boss?
Those guys don't know, Sugar Fire right here. Probably have the best, one of the best items out here.
Shrimp po' boy, baby.
Shrimp po'. Unexpected at barbecue festival, but
you know, we were
stuff.
gonna do shrimp and grits since they had Quaker Oat as one of the sponsors that dropped out. Sorry, Quaker.
Shame. I was not even here. Whoa! Show them your hand.
Do what?
Show them your hand.
That's the Windy City Smokeout. That's what happens. We keep going. It doesn't matter. This was heard.
This is what a true professional looks like.
Absolutely.
There is nothing.
I'm finally doing it.
Do your content.
They told her that she had to put on sleeves the other day because they didn't want to see the gun show.
They're intimidated.
I was looking in here and I don't see anyone who actually works at Hella now. What's going on? Oh, there's a guy. We're doing, boys.
Coach Yim, nice to see you again.
I ain't your coach no more.
Right.
You can coach me up now.
Coach forever, right?
Yeah, man.
No.
I thought I was sleeping.
How are we doing today?
I'm great. I'm just catching up with my Taylor Swift videos. People complaining about how if only our youth would have this reaction for Jesus. So I told them, like, listen, man, Jesus needs a song about being drunk in the back of the car, crying like a baby coming home from the bar. Hey. Anyway.
Always get the best sound bites from Slab. Love it, love it.
Thanks, Brad.
How's the cheek glad treating you?
I don't have to do it often, so it's pretty fun. But if I had to trim these again, no, absolutely not. Pre-trim cheeks.
The pre-trimmed cheek. Do you know how many years of my life went into trimming beef cheeks? I didn't even know it was an option.
Keep coming back!
Mighty Soul Yim, Mayor of Chicago.
All right, folks. So it is now Sunday, the last day of Windy City, and I think today I'm a little less busy. So we're gonna go around and check out what everyone's doing and all the food that they're serving. What's up, brother? True cowboy right here.
Yes, sir.
So good. What's the green sauce?
Verde, Dr. Verde. So,
For sure. What's up, y'all?
Princess right here.
Yesterday was busy. And you know how much people love their corn here.
Is this like the whole fucking YouTube crew? You're famous. In my own mind.
Man,
What up? It's the first time I picked up a shovel all week on a Sunday.
1,000-gallon firebox.
How do you like
How's it cooking on the spit?
Beautiful.
Yeah,
Direct pit ribs.
Great color on both sides, and then you get that flop. Nice and tender.
Things about direct heat. Hit them in the dip. Boom, that's better. Yes.
Make sure it makes sense. So y'all loaded.
Great color, man. Bacon up top.
Subscribe, right? Like and subscribe. Make sure you like and subscribe.
She does it all. She, you know, she books the big parties. She brings in those massive weddings. 600 people. You know, so couldn't do it without
He's
her.
the most important person in the restaurant.
It's called job security.
Yeah,
It's called job
right.
security.
Just want to say hi.
Hey, I'm Cody. What's your name?
How many you guys do yesterday?
Did you get enough salt on there?
Funny part is it all gets wiped right off.
Right here, bro.
Jawbreaker. Jawbreaker.
Oh my God.
Sure got it.
That was good.
I hope so. Yeah. Put that on there.
One's really good and one's fucking amazing.
Alright, we got the chicharron from Voodoo.
No, a little different. You're gonna do.
See here. Oh my God, that's good.
I'm fucking awesome.
Right?
Go for it.
The hospitality, man. It's real.
Don't be shy.
Happy Smokeout.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
I mean, we look like brothers. I know, but just trust me that you'll like it.
Oh, Lord have mercy.
You can do it.
I don't know, dude. Oh, God, no. Just down the hatch? Down the fucking hatch?
Down the hatch.
Trust you?
Trust me. Don't need to chew if you don't want to.
God damn it. That ain't bad. It ain't bad, Jeff. It ain't bad.
Cheers. How does it taste like?
It's delicious.
Nice.
Oh man, you don't like truffles, but you might be able to do orange again. Don't be scared.
Big team anti-truffle. I am the originator
I know.
of the anti-truffle club.
Do it.
Pretty great.
Yeah, way better.
We're like the opposite of barbecue.
Amazing, no?
Very good. Very good. That's a good life.
Awesome, man. Before I forget to get you on camera, thoughts of Windy City this year?
Great day, great life, great week. Thanks for being you. Thanks for being you.
Please don't say that. Please don't say that. You don't want to kill somebody. So she's been saying all week. I heard that.